gonna pop off and get that win, and we'll bring you guys along with us.
Yeah, I got all my idols sliding in my DMs. They got me dead cause they said that I'm killing it. Started out with rifles, drugs and hunting season. Now I got my middle finger up like a kid again. Wasn't trying to make it, then I went and made it. Then I made a song about whiskey and they played it. Dang, it's been a good run for a lucky redneck, but I still got a box to check. Cause everybody's got a song called Rockstar, running up the pop charts, all get on